it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today we're here with RajahWild. Sinful. In a song called Carry On. It's a music video. Carry On. I'm going to jump to the one and hear with the G I say. Sinful. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Today again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist. Same way, you can do that same way by linking up your Zimmy. Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me. Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Let's go. No or never, big up.
Unapologetic. Yeah, I can. She said she She said she build people, so don't judge, cause she been through that shit. Girl, live free. Roll up. Intrigue, like for noise, I carry on. Go, you got the more. And she
I'm gonna see one of them stereo something there. Them CD player there.
I carry on. Go, you got the more. And she like to feel like she a star.
Hold on there. Yo, this is a RajahWild version of a love song. Yeah, this is love song. This is love song. Is this his love song? Ladies, phone time. RajahWild phone already. Unapologetic music, big up. Roopy them.
She said she build people, so don't judge, cause she been through that shit. Girl, live free. Roll up. Intrigue, like for noise, I carry on. Go, you got the more. And she like to feel like she a star. Yeah, she like to feel like she one of us. Yeah, she like.
Yeah, she like to feel like she a star. She like to feel like she a one of boss. She like feel like she say, yo, she's independent. She don't need nobody. And that's such a feel. That's such a like feel.
Feel like she a star. Yeah, she like to feel like she one of us. Yeah, she like to feel like. She similar to become too nice. She similar to feel like she.
This is a different side of Rajah. Like the beat is not a normal RajahWild beat that he would be on. He's just showing his versatility at this point.
Yeah, she like to feel like she one of us. Yeah, she like to feel like. She similar to become too nice. Say she listen to all I'm song, I'm too like. Say she listen to all I'm song, I'm too like.
Versus she listen to all your song, I'm too like. She said, "No say you stay. I just a facade you put up. She listen to your song, I'm too like."
She become too nice. She similar to become too nice. Say she listen to all I'm song, I'm too like. Say she listen to all I'm song, I'm too like. Pretty idea, but she a sinner in the moonlight. Pretty idea, but she a
pretty in a day, but she had definitely when night come, she a sinner in a moonlight. What normally change in moonlight? Rare rules them to change, right?
Pretty idea, but she a sinner in the moonlight. Pretty idea, but she a sinner in the moonlight. I heard me shot on every breath in the crew like. She said she a build people, so don't judge, cause she been through that shit. Girl, so she live free. Roll up. Intrigue, like for noise, I carry on. Go, you got the more. And she like to feel like she a star. Yeah, she like to feel like she one of us. Yeah, she like to feel like she alone. Ain't got no love cause she a star. And she don't ask, baby, it's only for a moment. She said, boy, I thought she was on her.
Yo, the boss are singing that one effortless, like. The boss are doing effortless, it's not putting the effort tonight.
She like 'cause she a star. She like to feel like she wanna buy. She like to feel like that she alone. Ain't got no love 'cause she a star. That shit always, baby, it's only for a mama. She said, boy, I thought she was on her. But you can get it if you want her. We see behind like it's water. Cause we go, but that's not how it was brought her. Where I'm from, going up, this shit was harder.
Yeah, the floor change, yeah, the floor change. That's how we brought her. Yeah, the floor change, dog.
But you can get it if you want her. We see behind like it's water. Cause we go, but that's not how it was brought her. Where I'm from, going up, this shit was harder. So we in, and we out, so shit. Feel people, so don't judge, cause she been treated, she go up, so she live free. Roll up, I'm intrigued like for no else to carry on. Got way I got the one. Is she like, feel like, cause she a star? Is she like, feel like she wanna buy? Is she like, feel like? She said I'm not true because I'm too nice. So she listen to all of my song, them I'm too light. Pretty idea, but she ain't seen her in the moonlight. I heard me shut down every breath in the cool light.
Sensual, unapologetic music. Oh, yo. Rajah, look up yourself, dog. Obviously, you know, at your time now, you're out there, do it, you see me? So big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Continue putting out the work you put out, bro. Just like, to me, I think if we can't down on some of the devil worship song them and them thing there, bro. Song like Monster and them song there. That's why I'm gonna react to them song there, bro. Cause we can't deal with it, you it. I gotta talk it truth, and enough people not gonna like it truth. You see me? Yeah. Music video. Big up Ruppy. Big up unapologetic music. The beat is different from what RajahWild is normally on. Like me say. So that's him showing off his versatility. You see me? Yeah. Big up yourself, Rajah. Yeah, do it, bro. So continue to do it. You see me? Yeah, dog. One more get a youth out there doing it. We like it. You see me? But yeah, this time I'm gonna leave that one and still. If you enjoy the one, I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new and click on any one of them two videos and you will get the next RajahWild reaction. Alright? Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.